welcome back to my channel. It's another grocery haul for you guys. I don't know how long this is gonna last us. I was just hungry. Don't ever go to the grocery store hungry because you will buy everything and anything. It's the end of the week. We needed food, so I went shopping. So let's just get into the foolishness, okay? Okay. I went crazy. I went crazy because I was hungry, and I've been I don't know. Let's get started with this mess. This was $8.98 at Walmart, and I needed something fun for me and the children to do this holiday season. So I kind of cringed when I was buying it because it's like $9 just for sugar, but I think they'll have fun. So that's what I got. I have 2 things of brown eggs here. These are $1.98 at Walmart, so I just got 2. What are these? Milk Magic. This is strawberry straws. There are like 4 of them in here, so I got a ton of them. They're like 98 cents, and which, when you add it up, it doesn't make sense to be spending $7 on just milk straw. And oh, let's not use that word. Let's not use that word. Okay, all right, moving on. So I have my toddler, and she picked up one, opened it, and then she picked up another one and opened it again. So I ended up buying 2 Lunchables, the same kind, and she opened both. So sad, so tragic, but it kept her quiet for a while. These were on clearance at Walmart. Don't mind my toddler. She's over there messing with the dog. These are just apple turnover. One has icing and the other one don't. And I justify it because there was like 83 cents off. So I was like, why not? You know what I mean? Why not? I figured this is something my husband can grab for breakfast. You know, during the week, or take it with him. Just have some raisins, a ton of marshmallows, because we go through these like none other, because we love hot cocoa, like hot cocoa, hot chocolate, whatever you want to call it. We love it, and they love putting mini marshmallows in their hot cocoa. So I just got the white one, and I also got the mini fruit marshmallows. And then I also got these. I saw these and I went crazy. I don't know why. I'm like, something fun for them to do. You know what I mean? I got the rainbow. I go crazy when it comes to my children. I got some mini bagels for them for breakfast in the morning. I got some pepperoni, turkey pepperoni. We have white Greek style pita. These are so good. If you've never tried them, please go and get yourself some white style pita. It's so good, so good. I got some peppermint stick because we like to throw these in our hot cocoa. And where am I? We have some Parmesan, Romano, Parmesan and Romano cheese. That's what that is. Some sprinkles, because why not? We like to put sprinkles in our hot cocoa. So I just got this variety kind. Got the multi sprinkles, and then I also got this one for cookies, because we make a lot of cookies. So yeah, I figured why not? It's just rainbow. Then I have some chicken chicken pollo, I think. I have some American cheese. I have some white American cheese. We have some chicken breasts here for sandwiches, and we have some turkey breasts down there for more sandwiches. We have some snack here for the children's lunches. Don't mind my toddler. Like I said, don't mind the toddler. We left off here. So we got some Idaho family size. Walmart has more varieties now in the family size. So I got some baby reds. Got 2 of those. I got 2 4 cheeses and sour cream and chives. Got some spaghetti, because you know we need spaghetti. We have elbows, and then we have bow ties and rigatoni. Then I got some Kit Kats because I have an advent calendar that I haven't prepared yet, and it's what, today is like the 5th, 6th, 7th day. So I got a couple of these. They were like $1.98, which I picked up a big bag, which was like $6.98. And in my little teeny tiny brain, I thought these were cheaper, but it turned out to be the same amount, because this is $2, $4, $6. But whatever. You get some powdered sugar down there because I make royal icing for cookies that I bake. Have some, what is this? I got the 40 pack of Capri Sun fruit punch right here for the children, for their lunches. I got some really cheap bread because the children go through bread like none other. We have some uncooked. This is uncooked flour tortilla, and my husband loves this. He loves uncooked flour, so I was excited when I found it. Like, I was super excited. Got some medium cheddar, and we have some mozzarella. We have some chocolate milk for Madison because I'm still breastfeeding her, but I want her to switch over, but she doesn't like the plain milk, so I figured try her with the chocolate milk to see if she likes it. We got some block cheese here, so we have cheddar, and then we have the white. We have a variety pack of crackers, and then more milk straw thingy. I'll tell you guys, going back around. We got some garlic bread, and we got some syrup to put on our hot chocolate and whatever else we got to drizzle. We have some Philadelphia cream cheese. We have some pumpkin spice bagel for my husband and I. Sour cream. We got some sour cream. We have some mandarin. Alos were way too expensive, so I just went ahead and got some mandarin. We have string cheese. We have pistachio. The big bag was like $7. This was $4, so I don't know why I didn't buy the big bag. It's just the way my brain works. Ooh, a big thing of grapes. And tons of butter. Every time it's Christmas time or holiday season, whatever you want to call it, I bake. And there's nothing worse than wanting to bake something and you don't have any butter. So, got a ton of butter. Got some sandwich tomato. I call them sandwich tomato. You can call them whatever you want. Got some heavy whipping cream because my husband and I like to get freaky. So we kind of like spray this all over our hot cocoa. I am so weird. Frosted sugar cookie delight. Peppermint mocha. Ice, you know, because I love my ice. Ice, baby. Oh, I'm so corny. Got some russet potato. Got some eggs for royal, to make royal icing. We got some quick oats over here. We have some, what is this? We have some apple juice for Miss Madison. Mott's for tots. We have, these are plantain, not to be mistaken for banana. They're plantains. We got granulated sugar to make more cookies. We got banana. We have some celery stick. We have some green onion. We have more tomato. These, I call these cooking tomatoes, but you can call them Romano or whatever you want to call them. We got some apple. I don't know what kind of apple they are. We have some organic onions. I don't know why. Just 3 little meager avocado. I bribed Maddie with candy, so I had to get her a thing of candy. Mott's applesauce for Maddie. Ritz crackers for the children's lunches. Mac and cheese for their lunches. Aunt Jemima! Is that Aunt Jemima? Yep, for breakfast. Okay, get over here into the canned goods. So we got 2 things of pasta sauce. We have 2 kidney beans. We have 2 black beans. We have 2 butter beans. We got a sliced potato, whole potato, white hominy, and golden hominy. I make porridge with these. We have 2 things of condensed milk. Condensed milk. What? Condensed milk. Right there. 2 things of condensed. Whoa. 2 things of milk. Cream style. Sweet corn. Ew, that's not what I wanted. That's not what I wanted. I wanted corn. Oh gosh. Oh. I got some Chef Boyardee for Maddie. So I got beef ravioli. I have mac and cheese. And then I have mini micro beef ravioli. And then we have some vegetarian baked beans over here. This is new. This is corned beef with onion. I've never had it, so I just bought one because God knows if it's nasty, I'm gonna throw it out. On the tubes. This is your knockoff brand for yogurt. So I got 2 of those, and I'm so sad. I'm so sad. Is that all I bought? Nope. Got a big thing of rice. Basmati rice. Cost me a fortune. I have a thing of fruit and gel. So it's just fruit and jello. And then I have strawberry banana yogurt for the children. We have some beef over here. So we have stew beef, and then we have the cube beef, and then we have ground beef. I have some chicken feet. My daughter calls it chicken finger. I use these to make soup. You know that Jamaican soup is so good. Put these in there. I know it look gross and everything, but yeah, don't knock it till you try it. I got some chicken breast here, and then I have chicken thighs, and that's it. That's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this week's worth of grocery haul, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.